the road. If there's someone approaching or someone coming from the rear, leave the car in this position until it's safe to proceed. Clutch up to the biting point, bring the car slowly up a little bit and steer the wheel to one full turn to the left. That takes the airbag back down to the bottom of the wheel with the wheels pointing to the left. Any more steering than that and you'll be in danger of hitting the black car with reversing. With the car very slow and very steady as you come round the corner. Check the right blind spot a couple of times. I'm going to let this van get past me. That's now moving on. Keep looking at the back window to make sure the silver car in the driveway isn't moving. And bring the car around until we can see that headlamp that marks the front corner of the car level with the middle of this door. It's about there for me. At that point the car will be at an angle of around about 45 degrees to the two pavements. Check around and check the left door mirror. You should just be able to see a little bit of curb still if you look upwards. We're now going to steer to the right, slowly on the clutch, very quickly with the steering wheel all the way around to right lock. The front of the car will just miss the front corner of the target car we saw, the black car in front. And now we want to look out the back window as the car comes around the corner and check in the left door mirror for the curb. The curb is now visible in the back window. You're going to bring it round all the way to parallel by steering to this full right lock, keeping the car moving very slowly. Now the curb is visible, so it's now time to get to parallel and steer the wheels round to straight by quickly steering the car to the left. Now we want to come back towards the curb a little bit more. We're about a foot away from it rather than a few inches. Just steer slightly to the left, bring the car back to parallel and steering the wheel smoothly to the right, and stop the car within the distance so you can still see the tyres and tarmac of the car in front. If the car is not perfectly parallel at this point, use the distance in front to bring the car slightly round towards the curb, get the wheels to parallel and smoothly clutch and brake together, and stop with the number plate of the car still visible. Now we're around about half a car length away from the car in front. To finish the manoeuvre you're going to move backwards and then drive around the car, so the finishing position needs to be within 2 car lengths. I'm going to reverse it back into that position, glancing forward regularly to make sure I don't go too far back, because the imaginary car may not be directly behind us. And there's the tyres and tarmac visible in the car in front, and that should be your finishing position for this manoeuvre. So this is David Ashling. That's how to reverse parallel park behind a car in front of you on the left hand side of the normal road.